Hello everybody, 25-year mattress industry veteran as a manufacturer and designer, Mark Anderson here. Today we're going to take a look at the Nolah Signature all foam mattress option. All right, so we've cut open one of the Nolah Signature all foam mattresses, and let's take a look at what's inside this mattress. First of all, at the very top, we've got a nice organic cotton covering, which is always something I like to see in a mattress build because one, organic cotton breathes, it wicks away moisture, it's generally very flexible, such as this covering is. It's thin enough so that you're not separated too far from the good stuff underneath. So I always like to see a mattress that's designed this way, especially with an all foam mattress. Now, one thing that's interesting with Nolah is that they have a proprietary material that they call AirFoam. And the difference between this and a conventional memory foam, number one, it doesn't feel like a dead slab of memory foam when you get on it. It's a little bit more responsive. But this material, which in this case you get 2.5 inches up top, so it's a nice beefy piece. I like that about this design. Is that this material has a lot more air, microscopic air bubbles, nano bubbles, if you will, built into it. And what that means is that it's much cooler. So you get a memory foam that's going to be more body contouring, cooler. It's going to cushion joints a little bit better, and again, not that dead memory foam feel. Right below that, they build in what they call their active response foam. This foam is actually a little bouncier. It's quite bouncy, almost latex-like actually. And the idea behind that is so you don't bottom into it and just sort of sit there and get stuck in it like sand at a beach. It's a little bit more lively, but you do get that initial body contouring feel up top. And right below that, we've got 1 inch of another layer of their air foam down here, but this is firmer. And what that does is helps transition your body into the firmer piece at the very bottom, which is a 7-inch layer of what's called high density foam. So, by the way, all of these foams are CertiPure rated, which I like to see, meaning that they're free of VOC fumes, heavy metals, PBDEs, other nasty stuff that you don't want your nose right next to when you're sleeping. So, total height of this mattress is 12 inches and a nice exterior covering on the side as well. That's well made and a little beefy, a little thick for the sidewalls, but it's made of a breathable material that I like to see. So overall, a good value for an all foam mattress that is worth taking a hard look at. With the Signature all foam mattress, one thing you'll notice is you're laying on it and you don't get trapped in the middle and stuck. It's actually body contouring, but at the same time, super easy to roll on, super easy to turn on, which I think is a real asset. For a memory foam mattress, it's hard to defeat that sometimes. So this mattress does give you the body contouring benefit, and it fills in your pocket areas too, like that area between your very lower back and your upper back, where you've got that sort of curve, fills in that area. Also between your shoulder blades, you get a little bit more fill. So I like that about this mattress, and it's easy. It's easy on joints, and it's not surprising that they advertise it as their best pressure relieving alternative.